Hello, beautiful ladies. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about something so many of you have asked me about. How to attract men is divorce when you are over 50. Let's be honest. Dating after divorce can feel intimidating. It can feel like starting over. Maybe it's been years, even decades, since you were last on the dating scene. Maybe you are wondering, can I still find women my age attractive? Or am I too late to find love again? Let me reassure you right now. You are not starting from zero. You are starting from experience, from wisdom, from authenticity. And guess what? This is incredibly attractive, the right kind of man. In this video, I'll share how to rebuild your confidence after divorce, what men over 50 are really looking for, how to present yourself in a natural, magnetic way, where to meet men online and in real life, and some subtle attraction tips that work beautifully for women over 50. So stick with me until the end because I want you to walk away not just with strategies but with hope and excitement for this next chapter. Before you even think about dating again, you need to reset your mind. Divorce can leave emotional scars. And if you carry self-doubt, resentment, or fear into dating, it will show. So let's rebuild your confidence first. I'm Brian Wavy, a relationship coach who comes from Nairobi, Kenya. And without wasting it, let's dive in. Step 1. Reframe aging as an asset. Society tries to tell us that only youth is beautiful, but here is the truth. Men over 50 are not chasing perfection. They are looking for maturity, for stability, for a woman who knows who she is, backs you. You bring wisdom, you bring resilience, you bring depth. And that is far more powerful than pretending to be a 25 again. Step 2. Self-care rituals. Men are drawn to women who radiate vitality. That doesn't mean chasing trends or extreme makeovers. It means taking care of yourself physically, emotionally, and spiritually. Small daily habits matter. A morning walk, a simple skincare routine, a few minutes of meditation, or journaling to clear your mind. These small choices build a glow that no expensive cream can match. On step 3, let go of the past. If you carry the pain of your divorce into new relationships, you will unconsciously project it. So practice forgiveness, not just for your ex, but for yourself. Remind yourself your past doesn't define your future. Now, let's get straight about what men over 50 really want. Spoiler alert, it's not about looking like a supermodel. Number one on the spoiler alert, companionship. At this stage of life, men value kindness. They want someone fun, supportive, drama-free. Number two, emotional security. Younger men might chase excitement, but mature men, they value a woman who is steady, confident, clear. They don't want games, they want peace. Number three, feminine energy. This doesn't mean being submissive. It means being warm, inviting, open. A smile, a soft laugh, showing genuine interest. That energy is magnetic. Number four, physical care. Notice I did say perfect body. What matters is that you care for yourself, that you look like you value yourself. That's what catches his eye. Number five, passion and purpose. Men love women who are excited about life, travel, hobbies, fitness, learning new skills. When you have your own passions, you become irresistible. So, how do you stand out in today's dating world? Number one, update your style. Choose clothes that make you feel confident and modern. Avoid hiding behind oversized clothes. A fresh haircut, a touch of makeup, clothes that fit well. Small updates can transform how you feel and how men see you. On number two, body language. Men read signals fast. Cross tongues, no eye contact. That says, stay away. A relaxed smile, good posture, leaning in slightly. That says, I'm moving. Number three, conversation skills. Ask questions. Listen actively. Men love feeling seen and heard. In the beginning, keep things light. Curiosity is far more attractive than oversharing. Number four, online dating profiles. Skip cliches like I love long walks on the beach. Instead, show your personality. For example, I'm adventurous. I love trying new restaurants. And I never say no to a weekend date out. And please use recent photos, natural light, a genuine smile. That's all you need. Now let's talk about where to actually meet men. Yes, dating apps can help, but they are not the only way. Social circles. Tell friends and family where you are open to meeting someone. Many second marriages happen through mutual friends. Interest-based activities. Join a cooking class, a hiking group, a volunteer project. Shared activities naturally create connection. Travel groups for singles over 50. This is one of the best ways to meet like-minded men. Travel puts you in a relaxed, adventurous mindset. And don't underestimate online communities, Facebook groups, meetup events. There are thousands of spaces where mature singles connect. Now, let me share some subtle but powerful attraction tips. On the first one, the power of curiosity. Instead of trying to impress a man, be curious about him. Ask questions. Listen. Men feel deeply valued when you show real interest. On the second one, feminine polarity. Let him feel like a man. This doesn't mean giving up independence. It means appreciating his efforts, letting him lead sometimes, showing gratitude. These things make him feel important. On the third one, the smile technique. It sounds simple, but a genuine smile is one of the strongest attraction signals. It says, I'm open, I'm approachable. Number four, subtle touch. When the moment feels right, A light touch on his arm during conversation builds instant connection. Number 5, don't rush. At this stage of life, the best relationships grow with patience. Enjoy the process. Get to know him. Let it unfold. Ladies, let me leave you with this. Attracting a man post-divorce isn't about competing with younger women. It's not about reinventing yourself. It's about owning your life, owning your story, owning your authenticity. Confidence, joy, self-assurance, those are timeless and you already have them within you. So step out into the world with a smile. Keep your heart open and trust that the right man will see the incredible woman you are. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe for more relationship advice, and share with a friend who might need encouragement. And I did love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me what's your biggest challenge in dating after 50. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Confidence, joy, self-assurance, those are timeless and you already have them within you. So step out into the world with a smile. Keep your heart open and trust that the right man will see the incredible woman you are. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe for more relationship advice, and share with a friend who might need encouragement. And I did love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me what's your biggest challenge in dating after 50. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.